Hi there. So today we're going to talk about some of the things that you can do in Desmos that you can also do in Google Sheets to help you find some summary data for your data. So for example, I've got whatever study this was, something with a video. We've got all this data. So I'm going to copy it. And then I'm going to take it over to Desmos, to the graphing calculator. And the first thing I need to do is enter it into Desmos. So I'm going to name it V for video equals, and then I'm going to enter it. All right, so you already know how to make a dot plot. It's in another video. So dot plot, and then the parentheses tell it which data set. But here's something new and interesting. If I go to this little plus sign, zoom fit, click on it, boom, there it goes. Takes me right to it. I can also play with the bins if I want to. So I can tighten those bins up a little bit. If I tell it exact, it looks a little wonky. So I tell it bend to straighten it up there. All right. Then it looks like it is, for the most part, symmetrical. But another way that I can check to see if it's symmetrical is if the mean and the median are the same. So to find the mean, I simply type in the word mean. I tell it which data set, which is V, and it tells me 51.85. I can do the same for median. Just type the word median, tell it which data set, and it's 53. Those numbers are pretty close. It's pretty close to symmetric. I can also do additional dot plots on top of that if I want to. The other thing I can do is I can put additional displays. I can also do additional dot plots of other data. So let's say I wanted to compare it to puzzle. So let's call this one capital P. And I can do all the same stuff with this one. So if I go dot plot, capital P, enter. Now these are the same color, which I don't want. I want them to be different colors. So I can go to settings, click on the green dot. Whoops. There we go. Click back to settings. Totally messed it up. There we go. To the green dot, and then I can pick another color. So let's say something that stands out here. So there we go. And our bin width, if we want to have matching bin widths, we could do bin width of 5 here as well. Bend. And we can see how these two data sets compare. This one, the orange one, is a bit more skewed. The other thing you can do, because it's skewed, we want the median and the IQR for the center and the spread. So to find the quartiles, you type in quartile, very similar to Google Sheets. And then I want data set P, and I want the third quartile. I can do the same for the first quartile. So 1 for the first quartile. So I see that quartile 3 is 61, quartile 1 is 46. So therefore, that's a difference of 15. So my IQR is 15. All right, thanks for being here.